So next one we need to go for here typecasting. We learned 5 types of basic data types are available. Now, do we have any way to convert one data type to other data type? If yes, how we can do that one? There are 5 functions are available: integer function, float function, complex, string, boolean. All are system defined functions. So we can use that one and we can convert it. For example, I want to convert, let us see these nodes, whatever available, converting integer to float. Then what function we used it? First we defined integer, float function we are using to convert into float. Suppose you want to convert integer to complex, what function we used? Complex. Converting integer to string, what function we used? String. Converting integer to boolean, then what function we used? Boolean. If it is 0, then only it identifies false. Remaining all cases it identifies as what? True. That is a boolean property. Let us see this example so that we come to understand more clarity. Okay. So I am trying to define here one integer. I am trying to define it first. The integer is equal to, I am defining as a is equal to 10. Everyone aware of it. Whatever I defined, that is called as, what is that? Integer. If I want to see the value also, I can see it. Now above integer, whatever available, I want to convert into above integer. I want to convert into float. I want to convert into float. Tell me what function I have to use now. What is my interest of result? Float. So result is equal to, I am writing here, float of a. Now if you see type of RS, you can notice here what is the data type it's showing? Float. What is the value which is available inside the RS? 10.0. It's a float value. So 10 has to convert into the float means 10.0 we are seeing it. Now let us try to understand convert integer to, I want to convert into, let us say complex, I want to convert it. What is that? Integer to complex I want to convert. So what function I have to use first? Result is equal to complex, I am trying to use it. You can write here couple of letters, you can write it, followed by that one. If you press the tab, you'll be getting the possible, all the functions are going to get it. Now complex, in the complex of a, I am trying to take it, a is the integer, already you are aware of it. Now if you see what we have in the RS, 10 plus 0j, it is writing. And if you see the type of RS, we are able to see it's a complex. Now if I want to convert integer, whatever available, into, let us say, string. Integer, whatever available, into string, I want to convert it. Now we are writing here result is equal to string of a. Then RS means we are able to see the 10 is came in the quotes, it is came. And type of RS means it is showing as, it's a string data type it is showing. Now as you know, if it is 0, then only it identifies as a false. Rest of all cases it identifies as what? True only. That's how integer to boolean it will be working. Now in our case, what we have the integer value? 10. Now if I ask here result is equal to boolean function of a, then what I am going to get it? True or false? True. Because 10 is available, 10 means true. If I ask here what is the type of RS, now we are able to see it is a boolean, we are able to see it. Similarly, can you try for define one float and try to convert into rest of all things? For example, I am defining a float now that is known as 10.33. A is equal to what? 10.33. And as you know now, type of A means what you are going to get it? Float you are going to get it. Can you convert this float, whatever available, into integer? Can you convert it? Whatever we have the float, can you convert into the integer? What is the function I have to use? Integer function I have to use for this a, and I am storing the result into the rs variable. Then I am trying to write here. Then what is the value available in rs is 10. We are going to see 0.33 is trimmed out. Now if I try to see what is the type of rs, I am able to see the corresponding result. It is an integer. Similarly, try converting the float whatever available into complex. Float whatever available into complex. Now tell me how to do it. Complex of, we have tried here, complex of a whatever available, that I am passing to the rs. Then if you see the rs result, and if you see the type of rs, we are able to see it's a complex. We are able to see it. Similarly, I can go and I can try with float. I want to convert into string. I want to convert it. So what is the data type I have? What is the function I have to use? String of a. The result I am storing into the rs, and I am asking here rs is equal to what? And I am asking here what is the type of rs. You can notice now we are able to see it is a string. Now similarly, I want to go for whatever we have the float. Float I want to convert into last one. What is this? Boolean. Already you know the rule. The rule is what? 0 means false. Rest of all things are what? True. In my case, 10.33 is available. 10.33 is going to identified as what? True. If you want to see the type of rs now, it is showing as it's a boolean. It is a boolean. Similarly, can you define one string? Can you convert, sorry, next is complex, right? Can you define one complex? Can you convert into rest of things? Let's see is possible or not possible. Suppose I am trying to do here now, first define one complex number. I am defining a complex number which is known as, let's say, 10 plus 20j. Now everyone knows type of a means it shows as now complex. Now I want to convert this complex whatever available into integer. I want to convert it. Complex whatever available I want to convert into what? Integer. For that I am saying as result is equal to integer of a. Integer of a. Now you can see error message. What is the error message is showing? Cannot convert complex to integer. If possible it converts. If not possible, it throws the error. So there is no way to convert complex to integer. Similarly, I want to go for complex number, whatever available, I want to convert into float, I want to convert it. Let us see it is possible or not possible. Let us say I want to convert into the float of a. Now you can notice what is the error message? Cannot convert complex to float. That also not possible. Similarly, let us try to see complex can I convert into string or not. We are trying to observe it. Complex I want to convert into what? String I want to observe. This is possible case because to convert into the string all I have to do is add the codes. Add the codes. Suppose now I am writing here rs is equal to string of then whatever we have the a. Then if you see the rs, now we are able to see the result. It is appended, codes appended. If I ask here what is the type of rs, we are able to see it is a string. So complex to string is possible. What about complex to boolean? It is possible or not? Let us go and try to observe. Tell me, possible? Let us try to see rs is equal to boolean of a. Now rs is equal to, what is the result we are seeing? True. I said already 0 means false. Rest of all cases it is true. So it is identified properly. Now if you ask here type of rs, we are able to see the result. There is a boolean. Similarly, can you try with the string to remaining other formats? Define one string. For example, string is equal to Python. Can you convert this one into other types? Let us try it. Let's try it. Suppose I want to convert the string whatever available. You know already type of A means now what is this? String. I want to convert the string whatever available into the integer. String whatever available into the integer, I want to convert it. For example, rs is equal to integer of a I am writing. What is the message it is throwing? Invalid literal for integer with base 10 of Python. With base 10 of Python. What is the meaning of this one? What is the meaning of this one? In other scenario, for example, some question? Okay. Now, it is not possible to convert with base 10, it's saying, right? What is the meaning of the base 10? The base 10 meaning is, for example, I have here 1, 2 is available. 1, 2 meaning actually what you know, 2, 10 power 0 plus 1, 10 power 1 is nothing but 1, 2. That is what the meaning of base 2. Okay. With that base 2, this Python is not able to convert it. That's what it's saying it. That's what it's saying it. Meaning, if I am able to do, for example, some b is equal to, I am writing as 123. My bad, because of this double quotes, type of b, if I am asking, system is identifying as what? String. But this one, can I convert into the integer? Yes. If you see rs is equal to integer of b, I am writing it. Happily it is converting. Why? Because inside this one, whatever characters I have, 1, 2, 3 characters. Inside this one, whatever characters I have, 1, 2, 3 characters. 1, 2, 3 characters. Can I able to write here 3, 10 power 0, 2, 10 power 1, 1, 10 power 2. That I am able to get 1, 2, 3 or not? That's what it is accepting. In previous case, it was Python means it's not able to do that. Now, if I ask here, what is the type of rs? Happily, it is showing here, what is this? It's an integer. So, in case of string, if it is possible to decode with base 10, it converts into the respective data type. If it is not possible to decode with 10 power things, it is going to throw the error. In case of 1, 2, 3 string, it is accepted. In case of Python string, it's not accepted. Okay, right. Now, I am trying to write here today homeworks. The homeworks are I given here. You can go and you can observe. Right. Observe this homeworks in the bottom. Similarly, try with all possibilities. Okay, whatever I defined now, integer, I converted rest of all the things, float, rest of all things, string, rest of all things, right? Similarly, try with the boolean also, rest of all things. Apart from that one, some homeworks, check with all other possible, already I explained. Define binary, octa, hexa numbers in Python. As you know, whatever we are discussed is decimal places. There are binary numbers also available. Base 2. If I written here, suppose 101 I written. What is that? 101 I written. How we are going to write this one? 1 to power 0 plus 0 to power 1 plus 1 to power 2. That gives you 4 plus 0 plus 1. That gives you 5. How to define binary numbers in Python? How to write binary numbers in Python? How to convert binary to decimal? How to convert binary to decimal? Similarly, how to define octa and how to convert octa to decimal. Similarly, how to define hexa and how to convert hexa to decimal. That help you can get from these websites. You can go and you can learn about it. Today, I am giving that as a homework. Please complete this homework and let me know if you have any questions by tomorrow. Thank you.